What's going on, Mullen fam? We back with yet another video. If you watching this video, that means you came back for another Finesse Monster Activist Bull video. And on this channel, we try to make moves in a corrupt stock market and also expose market manipulation that happens on a day-to-day basis in stocks such as MULN, Mullen Automotive. Now, for all the Mullen fans out there, before we get into the latest news of the day, I want to get straight into talking about this price action today. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to get more content coming from me. Now, as you can see that we got this 18-cent bounce up into the 20 cents per share. That happened towards the end of the previous trading day. Then we consolidated after hours, followed by a push up in pre-market this morning with the news that came out. We were trading up in the 19-cent to 20-cent range before getting flushed just 20 minutes before regular trading hours was closing out. And you know they want to say it was because of the day traders that we got this drop here, but there's not really much action here for a day trader in my opinion, unless they got in at this 18-cent level and timed it perfectly. Who could have timed getting in at 18 cent at this time frame and riding this pop up and holding towards the 20-cent level? Maybe not many people, but I guess it's quite possible. So there could have been some small amount of people taking profit here, but I think the main culprit is naked shorting. The reason why I say that is because these market makers and short sellers kind of clearly wanted to keep Mullen Automotive below this 20-cent level, and it looks pretty orchestrated the last 20 minutes of the day. Also, as we know, failure to deliver on Mullen Automotive stock is at an all-time high. It's been the highest level since back here in April. And also there is over 11 million failure to delivers that came out and was reported on the 14th of November with a closeout date of December 15th. Quick recap on FTDs. FTDs are particularly connected to naked short selling. Illegal since 2008 financial crisis. Naked short selling involves selling short a particular asset without owning or borrowing it. These non-existent shares are also called phantom shares. Now, with the amount of naked shorting that's been going on with Mullen Automotive lately in these low price ranges, I am curious to see what the next reported failure to delivers will be looking like. It's worth noting that if short sellers have plans to enter an asset once the delivery restrictions are removed, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, guarantees them 35 calendar days after settlement day to close the position by buying non-delivered securities. So they have 35 days after they failed to deliver on December 15th to start buying these securities back. Thus, after this 35-day period, there is a possibility that the share price of the asset may increase when these deliveries are made. However, this technicality is considered relevant only when there are a very large number of FTDs, which Mullen Automotive clearly has the all-time high of FTDs right now. So that could definitely contribute to some upward trajectory in Mullen Automotive stock price in the near term. Now, looking at the daily chart, looking at the TTM squeeze, you'll see that over halfway through, you see these red candle wicks are dark red, indicating a reversal on the TTM squeeze indicator. And you can also see that the MACD has two green candles here going positive on the MACD. I told you guys that the bottoming process is not yet set, still trying to form this base here at these levels. And also I told you guys to expect more manipulations in these 18 to 20 cent ranges moving forward. Because even though the chart may seems like it's looking bullish right now, you know, with the MACD going green, however, this TTM squeeze is trying to go green, but you can see that it has more room for red candles before it crosses fully over, just like on the other end of this TTM squeeze indicator. You see that the candles are going to a minimum. This side still has more room for Mullen Automotive to be trading sideways and having some more manipulation before pushing up. And lastly, the latest news, Mullen hires Donald Borthwick as Vice President of Commercial Sales, previously head of Western Region for Ford Commercial Sales. Yet another heavy hitter hire for Mullen Automotive. This man is responsible for $3.25 billion in annual sales to Fortune 2000 corporations in the Western U.S., with annual sales deliveries of 100,000 vehicles. He also has over 25 years leading commercial vehicle sales for Ford. And it says he will spearhead Mullen's commercial vehicle sales for the U.S., and his previous accomplishments for the Ford include: pay attention to these two. Secure primary vehicle supplier relationship with leading last mile delivery company. Growing account to be Ford's second largest commercial customer, and cultivated early EV adopter customers, which resulted in strategic early stage EV system fill orders. Don is a highly skilled and respected sales leader and will play a key role in establishing Mullen as a leader in the commercial EV category, said David Mishery. Borthwick will be established out of the recently opened Mullen Tech Center located in Troy, Michigan. Don's impressive track record and success in partnering with large commercial customers make him a perfect selection to lead our commercial sales team, said John Schwiegman, Chief Commercial Officer for Mullen Automotive, which is a former GM exec that Mullen Automotive previously hired. So let me know what you guys think of Mullen Automotive hiring yet another heavy hitter, Donald Borthwick, who is going to be an asset to Mullen Automotive when it comes to commercial sales, the last mile deliveries, and key strategic relationships with suppliers. Do you think Mullen Automotive will receive a rise in share price when it comes to these FTDs needing to be delivered on December 15th? Let me know what y'all think. Hope y'all find this information valuable. Stay charged up out there. Don't feed the fear, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone. Go. Less than abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon. Still come through when the